This is the S18 Ariens snowblower, and to fix the auger cable you need to remove these bolts here and that one and this one on the front. To loosen up this black lid, you'll be able to pull this plastic compartment out and access where the cable hooks up. Okay, so this is a simple Ariens S18 single stage auger cable replacement. So basically you remove the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts from here, and then that shows the internals. And the auger cable is simply, it hooks at this end. This is a protective sleeve. You follow it down here inside the cable, runs down through this hole, through, okay, goes down through here, comes out here, and most importantly, it goes under this smooth curved piece. See how it's shaped like a U? Okay, and it goes in under it so it doesn't cut through it. It goes up, and this depresses very easily, see? And the little hook, the little eyelet, just goes right in there. So it's really not too bad. And then when you pull this, it engages the belt. There's the auger cable working, going under the smooth area so that it doesn't cut and snap the cable.